So, if we think of this with the machines, just like we did at the beginning, you would have something go into your first machine, have the conveyor belt, and then it would go into the second machine. And what's written in this first example is saying, first you're putting something into G, it's going to go on the conveyor belt, and then it's going to go into F. But this time we're not putting a number in. Like, this time we're just putting in an X. And we're saying, if you put in an X, well, what does G do? G, the machine G says, whatever you put in, we multiply it by 2 and then add 7. So if you put in an X, you would get 2 times X plus 7, right? The machine does this every single time, even if you put in variables, even if you put in Mahad. You throw Mahad in machine G, out would come 2 Mahads and 7 extra things.
7 extra things.
And I'll be like, why did I throw Mahad in the machine? Now I have 2 of them. Right? And then, what happens is those 2 Mahads and the 7 go on the conveyor belt, and they fall into machine F. And what does machine F do? It says whatever you put in gets squared. Oh, red and black. Whatever you put in gets squared. Then multiplied by 2. Then you add 1.
You're going to have,
So, f of g of x is first going to become f of 2x plus 7. And then, again, whatever you put in gets squared. So the 2 Mahads plus 7 will get squared. They're going to get doubled.
oh.
And then you're going to add 1 after that. This could be disastrous. Right? 2x plus 7 squared, we'd have the order of operations. You'd have 4 Mahad squared.
Oh no.
Too many Mahad.
Then you're going to get 28 Mahads
Oh my.
plus 49.
Oh.
And then still a plus 1. Now if we distribute the 2, in the end, we get 8 Mahad squared. 56 Mahads. 98 plus 1, and then 99 extra things at the end.
Too many Mahad.
It's too many Mahad.
I can't think it.
Right?
It was really.
We need.
Something.
We need to do something though.
I know. This is terrible. But we make a machine H, which makes everything nothing. It just destroys whatever you put in.
That's a good invention right there. Get rid of the
And then,
Multiplies by
if all those Mahads went into there,
Oh, murder's Mahad. I don't think you're allowed to do that
no
anymore.
more Mahads.
No more Mahad.
And then we can make a machine I that whatever you put in, out comes a Mahad, and everything would be fine. But that would be dangerous, because then you could put other things in there. So this is composition of functions with equations. I will leave the other ones for you to try on your own.
No, we got to the good
You
part.
can look at previous videos of mine to check the answers. The answers are also at the end of the chapter. 10 and 11 for practice.